Hello, my name is Daniel Lee and I'll be showing you how to combine like terms. Like terms are terms that share the same variable as well as the same power. So in this case, s would be our same variable and 1 would be the same power. So considering these two factors, we know that 3s and 2s are like terms. Now, with that given information, what we can write is we can now combine these two together because we are combining like terms. These two are like terms, so we can combine them. 2s plus 3s, well, that's just saying 2 plus 3, which is 5s. Moving on. 185r minus times negative is just positive, so plus 20 times r is 20r. Plus 145. Now, of these terms, which ones are the like terms? Well, that's obvious. It's these two, considering that they share the same variable r and they share the same power 1. So with this given information, we can combine these two terms. 185 plus 20r is just 205r plus 145. Moving on. 20. 6 times 5r minus 11 minus 5 minus r. Now you have parentheses and you have values in front of those parentheses, so you can factor them out. 6 times 5r is 30r. 6 times negative 11 is equal to negative 66. This negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. This negative 1 times negative r is just r. Now we can see that our like terms are these. 30r plus r is just 31r. Minus negative 66 minus 5 is just negative 71. And that's your answer. Moving on. Now, which expressions are equivalent to x plus x plus x plus 2? Well, our like terms are x, 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 because they share the same variable and they share the same power of 1. So we can combine these these three x's together, giving us 3x plus 2. Now, from these options, which one resembles this? Well, obviously, you can see that A resembles 3x plus 2. But is that it? You have to check all these answers so you can get all of the expressions. 3 plus 2x, no, that's not it. 3x plus 6, no. Now, if you factor this out, 2x plus 2 plus x. Well, you have like terms, 2x and x, right? So you just add those two together and you get 3x plus 2. That's the same thing as this formula. So what you can say is that this expression is equivalent to this expression as well. So you have two